Now the shares of NEO are down 8.7%, whilst Leodo shares are down 6.3%, and Xpeng is down 8.8%. Now we continue seeing the Chinese equities being hammered pretty bad, but to NEO it's worse because yesterday when you saw other Chinese equities finishing on a green, NEO finished on a red, which is something that shows you that NEO is taking more pain, and NEO is taking more drops than the other Chinese equities, which is something that, of course, it's not good to see. I mean, today on the street of social media, I'm seeing some of the people letting go of NEO. I'm seeing quite a number of people to say that we've had enough. We are letting go of NEO, but there are some people that are still very optimistic about NEO. There are still some people, some retail investors who are remaining long and strong because they know that this year, yes, we might see NEO trading way. They are trading right now, but next year, 2025, it will be a different year, a total turnaround year for NEO. Because not only are we going to see NEO selling NEO and Onvo models, but we are also going to see Firefly coming to kick in. And Firefly is very interesting because that will be the cheapest brand that will be sold by NEO. We have spoken a lot about Firefly. I won't tell you again what we can expect from Firefly or the kind of a model Firefly is, but knowing that there will be three brands that NEO will be selling, it's something that is just out of this world. And hopefully by those three brands, we see NEO doing exceptionally well, getting to profitability maybe at Q4 of 2025, which I still stick by that. I think we will see profitability onto NEO next year in Q4 of 2025 because we will now not only be having Onvo and NEO, but we'll also have Firefly as one of the models or as one of the brands that NEO will be selling. I mean, yes, share price wise, it might not be encouraging when you look into the stock price and look at your holdings, especially those that bought NEO thinking that they will make money pretty quick. I mean, personally, I started buying NEO July of 2020, so I've been on this boat for over 4 years, and I know, man, I've been with NEO at their all-time highs. I've been with NEO at $3.60, which you see a couple of months ago, and I'm still going to be with this stock for the longest period because I believe in their fundamentals and their future prospects. And I think I should be honest with you, right now I was expecting NEO to be trading at double digits, but it did not come, or is it has not come. But that does not mean that I have to quit on this stock. That does not mean that I have to let go and just consider selling at a loss and maybe take the hit as a man and move on to the next stock. But I'm going to remain bullish long and strong because I'm not investing onto this stock based on the share price or where it's trading at, but I'm investing onto NEO because on the current fundamentals, on the future prospects, where NEO is right now and where it could be tomorrow. This is the primary reason why I'm investing onto NEO. Yes, the share price might be going up and down, which, I mean, of course, you will look. I don't like seeing NEO trading below $5 per stock. I don't like this at all, but it does not make me to have a doubt of the future prospects or where NEO could be in the future, which is why I remain with this stock. I remain long and strong because if there's one thing in that I know is that a blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded. So I know that today NEO is down quite sharply today. I don't know, maybe market hours might even be down 10%, which, yeah, man, these are tough times for the new investors. I must say it's tough times, but the fundamentals are the ones that are supposed to ground us and not to panic sell because of these sharp drops that we are witnessing or seeing onto NEO. I mean, one thing that might bring a massive rescue onto this stock right now is the upcoming Q3 earnings, which are coming next week on Wednesday before market open. If NEO does present well or better than expected earnings on Wednesday, then it's lights out. I think we can expect a short squeeze on Wednesday. But if it does not present better than expected earnings, then I suppose we are going to tank again, which will not be that good. We might see the 52-week lows of $30.60 yet again. There is a possibility that it will go there if the earnings comes lower than what analysts expect. But if they come better, which is I suppose it should be the case, I think we can expect some short squeeze of NEO, some recovery onto the share price. I don't know until then, because today it's still Tuesday, as to where can NEO, or where will NEO be trading at on Tuesday. I don't know, but yeah, Wednesday, chances are we can get, it's a make or break day. We'll get a short squeeze or a huge drop, but hopefully we get a short squeeze, which is or which will bring a relief to most of the new investors, or those that are taking the hits that we are seeing onto the share price of NEO. So yeah, man, this is what we are seeing onto NEO, but it's not the end. This is not the end of NEO. It's just the beginning. We are being tested. Weekends are being shaken off. And yeah, man, those that know NEO, where NEO could be, in fact, those that know how NEO could perform in 2025 based on the things that they have announced, will take this low trading price, I'm telling you, as opportunities to load more, because we know that there is a possibility next year of seeing new deliveries growing by 100% year over year. There is a huge possibility that this year, because this year NEO Showcase is going to get 200,000 deliveries this year, and next year 2025 I believe we are going to easily see over 400,000 deliveries, which will be 100% increase year over year, which that we are going to see. You need to mark my words, because there is no other way where we can see or can expect NEO to fail. I mean, Onvo already, we know that by March they will deliver 20,000, adding the Firefly deliveries that will come at a later stage, maybe late first half of 2025. You and me can agree that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, because Q3 also another factory, it's kicking in, which will help NEO meet the demand, or try to meet the demand that might come from both NEO, Onvo, and I suppose Firefly, which we just need to brace ourselves for what's coming. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. I know it's tough. I know these are difficult times or tough times, but I remain long. I remain strong onto this NEO stock. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. That's all from me, and God bless you all.